Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing Android tips and tricks which are very useful for every Android user. And trust me, both of them you will surely like it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now first trick is, first of all you have to just go to the setting, and in setting you have to just go to the more setting, and in more setting there is an option you will be finding in there that's called VPN. Yes, click on this one, and here it will says not connected. We have to just turn it on, and then it will ask you for your username and the password. We can cancel this one and then click on this add VPN network. But let me tell you that every Android phone has an inbuilt VPN setting in it. We have to just activate it by putting the username and the password in it. So how will you get this username and the password? I'm gonna tell you. First of all, you just have to come out of this one, and then you have to go to the Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome you have to search here VPN book, and then you have to open this VPN book here and go to the vpnbook.com, and then scroll it down here. On the bottom you will be getting some options here, that's a news, PPTP and all that. You have to click on this PPTP. Click on this one, and here you will be getting so many of server here. That's a Poland VPN server, Germany VPN server, US VPN server. I'm gonna copy this US VPN server, and then I come out of this one, and here I just need to put these information. So I'm gonna put this name here. I'm gonna give a name, let's say Varun, my name, and then the server address. I just need to paste this server address here, and then it asks me for username and the password, which I don't need to put it right now. I just need to click on this done on the top, which is on the right side of the top, and then come out of this one. Still it says not connected here. Then we have to turn it on, this VPN. Now here it asks me username and the password. Again we have to go back to this website here, and the username and the password would be this one. That's a VPN book, and this is the password which we have to enter at the place of password. So I go back here and type here VPN book and then the password. Now it's connecting here. You can see this one is processing right now. It's taking some time. I have already entered the ID and the password here, and now here we go. See this? It is already connected here. Everything is done, and on the top you can see this one. The VPN is activated on my phone right now. I can able to use the free VPN with all the username and the password with the settings in my phone. So this is the one of the best setting which you can use in your Android phone. If you are an Android user, start using your free VPN in your phone. Now let's talk about the second setting. Again, for second setting we have to go to the setting, and in setting we have to just scroll it down here on the bottom and click on this more setting, and here on the bottom I will be getting an option of accessibility. Just need to click on this one, and here you will be getting an option of color inversion. Yes, this is the option. You have to turn it on. When you make it on, your phone will come into the dark mode. Yes, everything you can use in your phone into the dark mode. Those applications, those who do not have this kind of feature to make it into the dark mode, you can start using this feature of Android phone and make your phone into the dark mode. See this, my WhatsApp also comes into the dark mode. Everything will be in the dark mode. It won't give any pressure to my eyes as well. I can use it in the night, everywhere I can use it just by using that feature. By turning on this color immersion option, and my phone will automatically get into the dark mode. Every application will start working into the dark mode, and if I don't want this one, I can just simply turn it off and it will be normal. And then there is one more thing which you can try, that's a color correction, that you can use the color correction as well. Click on this one, and then you can just simply turn this one on, the color correction on the top, and then click on this color mode. When you click on this one, there are some options you will be getting on the bottom. That's you can make it to the red and green. You can change the color from here. You can make it to the red and green again. That's a different one. And you can also use this one, blue yellow. This is also good for your eyes as well. If your children use your phone, then you can also use this color correction as well. That also won't impact on your eyes as the normal Android phone do. So these are the settings which you can also use in your phone. That really helps you if you are an Android user. Any question related to these settings, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.